Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria. If you are new, I would love to have you subscribe. I post every Wednesday and Saturday. Today's video is going to be a Sips By unboxing, and if you don't know what Sips By is, it is a monthly tea subscription service, and you get one box every month for only $15, and you get so much in here, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. They did reach out to me to send me this box, but this video is not sponsored, and I would not share anything with you guys that I didn't really love, and I'm really excited about this. If you know me, and I think I've mentioned this in some of my videos before, I don't drink coffee, and so I've really actually been wanting to get into tea, so I thought that this would be a really cool opportunity for me to try some different teas so that I can get a feel for what I like. And let me know what tea is your favorite down below. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Before I get started with this unboxing, I wanted to let you guys know that Sips By actually gave me a coupon code for you guys. So if you use the code Victoria5, you can get $5 off of your first box, which means that your first box will only be $10. So when you open up the box, it looks so cute. It says Sips By, and then on this little card it says April Teas. And when you take this little card off, this is so cute. It says made for Victoria. And by the way, when you go onto their website, if you create an account, it takes you through all of these questions, and you can say whether you like caffeinated or not caffeinated, or what kind of flavors you like, if there's certain things that you don't like, and it tells you everything. So this is personalized for my liking, and I think I put like all different levels of caffeine on here. I wasn't like really specific, but I did select the kinds of flavors that I liked. So I got 4 different types of tea here, and it tells you about all of the different teas that you got, and it tells you if they're caffeine free or not. It tells you how much water to use and how long to steep them, which is really cool for me because, especially someone like me, I don't know anything about tea. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, this bag is so cute. These little bags are so cute. Look at that. How cute is that? Okay, so the first thing in here, it says Sips By reusable muslin cloth tea bag reusable muslin cloth tea bag, disposable bags inside. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it came with it came with 7 little reusable muslin cloth tea bags. How cool are these? I'm all about like reusable stuff. I love using reusable Ziploc bags, reusable Tupperware, stuff like that. I love using reusable things. And so that is really, really neat. And it comes with this little carrier bag for them. So I have to look up exactly how to use these, but that's really cool. So if you buy like loose leaf tea to save the plastic of all of the different bags inside, then you can put those in there, which is really cool. And let's see, so if you look in here, the first little thing I got was this really big bag of tea, and this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's like little flowers. Look how pretty that is. And this is what it says on the back. It says Tea Fiori, Te alla Rosa Bianca. Hopefully I'm saying that right. A beautiful, simple blend of white tea and rose to soothe you, inspired by Rosetto Botanico Gianfranco e Carla Fineschi, the world's largest private rose garden located in the Tuscan countryside. And it says you only need 1 tablespoon at 180 degrees for 3 minutes. That is beautiful, and so it's a soothing tea. That's really cool. I'm really excited to try that. And then I got 4 bags of these Ajiri teas. It's Kenyan black tea with lemon myrtle, and they're all the same. So I got 4 of those, and I'm assuming this looks to be a little bit more than 4 tablespoons in here, so I don't know how many servings are in here, but I will update you guys in another video once I start to use that. But this says that small-scale Kenyan tea farmers handpick only the 2 top leaves and bud, bringing you a pure and strong cup filled with the promise of education. Oh, so it says 100% of profits support orphan education in Kenya. That's really awesome. So it says for the perfect cup, steep for 3 to 5 minutes, and it's Kenyan black tea with lemon myrtle. So I'm not sure exactly how that's going to taste, but I love lemon, and I've never had black tea. I really have honestly never tried anything other than green tea, so I'm really excited. So I got 4 of those, and that sounds like something I would maybe drink in the morning, but that's really cool. My next tea are these zest teas. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. This is a pomegranate mojito tea, and it says as much caffeine as coffee. Look at that. That is so cool. So this is what this little bag looks like. And on the back it just tells you how much caffeine there is compared to coffee and regular green tea. And it has 4 times the amount of caffeine as green tea. The only caffeine I ever consume is with my they're like little shake-ups for my drinks, and I forget, it's like a Crystal Light one and it has caffeine in it, and I like those. So some mornings I really feel like I need caffeine, and I do not like coffee, like I said. So I'm excited to try these in the morning. And pomegranate mojito sounds really good. I love fruity drinks, so I'm thinking that I'm really gonna like this. And that was one of the flavors that I checked that I liked on my profile that I made, was like fruity tastes, so that's why it gave me that. And then I got a little card about the Ajiri tea. I don't know how you say that, but Ajiri it says Ajiri means to employ in Swahili. Fun fact, when I was in show choir in high school, let me know if you guys were in show choir down below, but show choir is basically like singing and dancing, and we did a song that was totally in Swahili, which was really cool. And so yeah, this employs over 60 women in Kenya to handcraft the packaging for the tea boxes. And it says 100% of profits from the sale of Ajiri tea goes back to Kenya to pay school fees for orphans in Kenya. That's really awesome. I'm really glad that I got a tea like that. That's really cool. And I just have one more little stash of tea in here, and this is Davidson's Organics Pure and Flavorful Organic Herbal Tea, and this is organic and caffeine-free berry essence. So that's really cool that this is an organic tea. So this is what this one looks like. Pretty little purple packaging here, and that's all it really says. It tells you the calories. Oh, 0 calories. Is all tea 0 calories? I really don't know. That's a good question. I'm not really sure. I think so. I don't know. Anyways, this one is 0 calories, and it basically says to steep for 5 to 7 minutes, and it says add milk or sweetener as desired. That would be really cool for me to try almond milk in my tea since I am dairy free. But that would be good. So I'm actually most excited, I think, for this one, because I could drink this at any time of the day since it's caffeine free, but it's berry flavor, which I'm really excited about. So that is everything that I got in my first box. I think the tea I'm most excited for, I think, is, well, I take that back about the berry essence. I think I'm most excited to try the pomegranate mojito tea because it's caffeinated like coffee, and I think that I would really like that flavor. But I'm also really excited about these reusable bags. I think that's a really cool thing that they sent to me, and that you can reuse them. I think that's really awesome. So I'm really excited about this box. I know I've said I'm excited like 20,000 times. You guys can keep count. But anyways, that's it for this box. So I am going to continue doing these monthly tea unboxings, and I think I'm going to add this video as an extra video, like a bonus video every week, once a month. And so I know today is a normal day that I usually upload, but I'm going to throw in an extra video this coming week, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. It'll kind of be like a surprise. I feel like that's what I want to do, is kind of like a surprise extra video. Since this is a shorter type of video, I think that you guys might enjoy if I added a little extra video in the week that I post these. So look forward to a bonus video this coming week. So don't forget to check out Sip Spy. I will leave the link at the top of my description box, and don't forget to use my code Victoria5 for $5 off of your first box. Thank you so much to Sip Spy for sending me this tea box, and I can't wait to get more boxes and try out this tea. I will definitely let you know in future videos and vlogs how I like individual teas that they sent me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. I hope that you stick around and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.